Hi guys, Miggy Make It Go here with another how-to video. We put out videos every Friday on crafts, DIY, home improvements, general business advice, and anything else you can think of. If there's something you want to see us do, please let us know in the comments. Subscribe to make sure you can see all of our videos. Enjoy this video. Alright, so to fold your sheet, you start with a big bundle. And the first thing you do is you want to make sure that it's inside out, and you want to put your hands into two corners, any two corners. I'm doing it with a queen size sheet, but this obviously works for any fitted sheet size. So you want to put a pointy finger right into the end of the corner. There we go. Then you want to bring your hands together, and you want to hold on to it with one hand and line up the seams. There we go. So as I'm going through, I always just shake it out, make sure it's nice and non-wrinkled. Now I put it on my left arm at this point. You can obviously do it on your right. And then you want to go in, and there's obviously two more corners that you don't have. So you want to go down, and you're looking to put your pointer finger into the corner. Again, this is inside out. And then the fourth one, I'm just using my left hand to help me find the corner. I'm not letting go of that initial corner that I made. There we go. So I now have the first corner that I did nicely on my left arm here. And then the second one, it's not very neat and tidy, but I do have the other two corners on my right hand. So you want to help, again, line the seams up and shake it out. There we go. Cool. So now I have all the corners nicely on my arms. And you guessed it, you put your hands together and flip that one over. So I now have all four corners on my right arm. I'm going to change that to my left arm. And you just want to shake things out, make sure everything's aligned. Now, the way that I grab it is I grab it on the outside of the corner, and I shake it so that it's symmetrical. So I then have that. And if I was to hold it here, I would need to hold it at that point, like that. So from there, you just fold it like a normal sheet. Which sometimes doesn't work nicely. There we go. Didn't align it properly. And there you have it, a really nice pile of linen, which is actually a fitted sheet. Okay, so at this point you should end up with something like this. You can place it flat down at this point. So you've got all four corners are here. Yeah, so all four corners are up here, all tucked into each other. So when I'm holding the sheet, I try and hold it by that corner, which is all four corners, and this one here. So there you've got pretty much a neat square. And from there you just fold it normally. enjoyed this video. Just remember, we do put out new videos every Friday. If there's something that you want us to do, please let us know in the comments. Subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so that you can see whenever we post a new video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.